How to unhide posts on Facebook. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Facebook application, and it will lead you to your homepage, right? Now the next thing that you want to do is to go here to your profile. So on the bottom part, you will see 6 different options there, right? Tap on the menu here and tap on your profile here, and basically it will lead you to your profile page. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to find the post that you want to unhide. So basically, if you are unhiding a post, that means you have set that post into private. And as you can see here, I have just recently posted this video, and you have that private. I have the privacy set on private. That means I have hidden the post, so the only person that can see that is me. So to be able to unhide that post is to tap on the 3 dots there on the right side of that post, and here you will see these options, right? Tap on edit privacy here and set the privacy into public, and tap on done. So here, everyone who are your friends, or basically who are checking out your profile there, they will see your post, and that is how you unhide a post on Facebook. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.